Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
Know why you encourage them to conduct this secret fundraising so that they can retain and sustain you. Left for me, you would have been sacked 100 years ago. 100 years ago. I don't know why IPOB. I will confirm if the DOS, if you are still under the payroll of DOS. If you're still under the payroll of DOS, I will encourage them. I will advise them to cut you. You deserve nothing. Considering your activities, you try to bring confusion, you bring news. Onyendu tells you something else, you come in the open and say something else. You think we don't know? You think the wife of Onyendu don't know what you're doing? You think we don't know the real instructions given to you? How stupid do you think we are? You think we are dumb like you? You're a criminal. Aloy Ejimakor, you're a criminal. You are nothing short of a criminal. You, my friend, your sack or your dismissal is like 10 years ago. I don't know why. I want to be sure you are still not under the payroll of IPUB. I will make sure that you're not under the payroll of IPUB because your activity stinks to high heavens. You are not a good man. You're not a nice man. You are aligned with people who are constantly antagonizing the DOS every minute of their life. You align with them. You collude with them. You organize fundraising with them. And sometimes they claim they give you $20,000, $30,000, $10,000. You are happy. You are able to occupy and play that nefarious role because of money. You have no integrity. You have no self-respect. You are such a loser. You are a feeble mind. You're a low man. So money can influence you. Any man that is influenced by money, I will never have respect for any man.
Legalism have lost that particular voice. He doesn't have it. Because when he disobey man and can he become irrelevant. That's the fact of life. And you can see it. Let me tell you something, in life, when he sees some people that believe, all these people Pentecostals, that they say grace, you know that grace transformed. And it comes from somebody being humble. Do you know that Uchemofo, when he picked up Radio Biafra in 2015, then the argument was his voice was not strong. And Uchemofo didn't say he couldn't broadcast. Uchemofo was like engineer then with Onyendu. Onyendu always call him when there's an issue. He's one in the studio. If Onyendu traveling around the world to correct things on Radio Biafra, that was his job. It dropped on him as like a Hiroshima bomb. But guess what? With time, Uchemofo grows into within the system because he was humble. And he doesn't joke with Onyendu's message. That was why all of them hated him. You can hear where China someone was analyzing. We'll play that voice where he's analyzing the advice Uchemofo, this, that. All these are bunkum. Because these are evil men. All of them were there fighting against him even when he was there because Uchemofo stand against them. This thing you see they're doing now, it's what they're planning in 2015. Uchemofo didn't allow it to happen. That's the truth. Chikedozium diverted our money in 2015 when he was the European rep. That was the first thing Chikedozium did. Chikedozium stopped the European money. But he couldn't fly them because he doesn't have any. There was this gang. They couldn't form it then because Uchemofo was then. They couldn't have Radio Biafra then. Anybody can go and verify. Chikedozium was European rep then in 2015. That was he was. Asiebu. Before, when this incident happened, he was the first regional rep that stopped payment to Germany. Chikedozium is seen today. So people don't think that this thing is doing it just started it today. No. He did it in 2015. But because he didn't have that mandate, he didn't have those gang. That gang couldn't fly there because Mazi Mnk'S was there. That's one thing people must respect that guy for. All this kanka one that you seen today that happening, he was there. The same thing that happened 2015. The script was not. It didn't change. It didn't change. The same thing. That's why I was laughing. People, I don't tell you guys don't know what happened, because if you know what happened 2015, you know that what's happening now is a child's play. But the reason why they couldn't sprint out there was because Mazi Mnk'S was there. And all of them hated him with passion. I will dive into Chinasa Nwodo because Chinasa Nwodo confessed. Will play his voice. When I told you that Chinasa Nwodo hate Onyendu is pathologically, you don't understand what I mean. But we'll play that voice. After that, I will explain something there people must understand. In this program, this year, what we are in is that until they retreat their steps, until Mazi Edoziemu go back into his shell. Now he can't come to the from sack people anymore. But he must obey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or he resign, hold body and walk away. Two things will happen. Because he have messed himself up. You see this memo he wrote yesterday, to buttress what that guy said. That is how his own memo is going to come. Mark my word somewhere, Chikedoziemu. You have just shot yourself in the foot, but you don't know. For honoring that particular voice note, you've gone. Even as the power of the director of state, you have lost it. You know why? Now, the message now is given publicly and you obey it. So, because that's what you guys was fighting against. Remember, we played our voices here. The riffraff said, if you obey this now, the next one will be South Africa. But now, he have obeyed the one that even worst. Thinking that now he want to protect his position, but he didn't know that he have already shot himself in the foot. Because Chikedoziemu, he can't go to DSS dungeon to go and see Onyendu. We only have one channel, we have one central command, one central source. You have the IPOB name, but you have bastardized it. But today, you wrote a memo to agree with Maz to barrister Nemeka, thinking that you're smart. But you don't know that this struggle, some of you don't know that what we are doing is spirit. A mistake, because once he started lying, once he dabbled into lying in IPOB, you're finished. Any day he blackmail anybody once, he have gone against the oath. Did I know that Chinasa Nwodo was suspended when I told you he hate Onyendu? I will tell you the reason. In that voice, I will explain to you why. I didn't know about this. Because IPOB, we don't discuss about what that is IPOB for you. Just like you see Chikedoziemu jump up and down, I will expel you. That's not IPOB. Within IPOB, our issue is solve it. In Radio Biafra, nobody talks about expelling people. Onyendu come there simultaneously. If something that is not solved, because issue of removing, when I was appointed, for instance, my name was not announced. It was within the leadership of the UK. You pick people that you're working with because those you're close or you know them. When they put because code of conduct came in 2019. So who was venting who? There was nothing like venting in IPOB, but vetting, you can't vet without national coordinator. The vet power bestowed on every country national coordinator. Now we rehearse with the European rep now, which is the DOS member, before we communicated now to the director for state. That's how it works. That's the chain command we're talking about. But not you Chikedoziemu calling junior principal officers with direct number in United Kingdom here with one witness. Making mockery of yourselves. The question is, why did you now wrote a memo to agree with my barrister Nemeka? If all that will come from Chikedoziemu, all this, one thing about our people, yeah? Nnamdi Kanu, Chineke Nnagozie, my leader. And I told them, make my video available when I join IPOB in United Kingdom. After I took oath, what did I say? Chukwuka be my witness. Because when you see, every night I wake, I go to bed, I ask God, show me the part of black man head that make them behave the way they behave. People jumping up and down, leadership, DOS. Now, who is this DOS you're mentioning? Who created DOS? But you guys can see now, Chikedoziemu now have make himself a laughing stock. Because you people, we are arguing. This is the argument you put up. Because you guys create the content. I better be everything I say or do, I will bring the facts. Because tomorrow, even if he threw me to court, I will defend it. This is a message that comes from our leader. And the person that brought this message now, you accepted this. Gino to this man is an international lawyer. To compare to, this is a Gino lawyer under Ejiofor. That's the fact. Ejiofor couldn't deliver because Ejiofor knows he messed himself up. Mazi, do you understand the game they're playing here? Ejiofor could not deliver that message because now himself messed himself up. The message now came from somebody who don't even know. This is one of the people that just go and see Onyendu now. He's the one now passing message. Show that, you know, when people have shot themselves in the foot, you ridicule your own self. The power that we are giving to you now have intoxicated your mind because the evil have taken over your mind. To question Mazi and the candidate, Onyendu didn't give you a reason why to suspend it at home. Today, Canadians has been Biafra and Chike. Can you solve the problem? Did you see have you not got the message? The reason why you asked you to suspend that sit at home? Did you not get the message? Did the message clear to you now why Onyendu asked you 18 hours before the Monday goes down? Remember, it was sitting at home. You know people like us don't forget. Even China will be saying, China will address us sit at home, but it's forgotten that the name was hashtag Monday goes down. Sit at home was meant to be only Monday goes down. Nothing will move. Not even a fly will fly. That's why they call it ghost town. It's not sit at home. It was hashtag Monday ghost town. 18 hours before that. Nobody will know about this. Your leader send a message. Suspend it indefinitely. He went ahead and announced it. And he told us that he didn't give you reason. Now, I hope now you have known the reason. The question now to you, Chike Doziem, and your gang and your cohort, how do you rectify what is happening in Biafra land? All these people issuing orders from their bedroom, you gave them the power. They didn't just sprint out from anywhere. You were there, you were watching them when they were grooming themselves. He said nothing about it. So the question today, forget about this sentiment. If you guys, the zoo people are watching us. The reason why even today, DSS that hold Onyendu, all of them are scared of Onyendu, for some of you who don't know, is because they know Mazi and can speak nothing but it. Onyendu is the time, when I started listening to Onyendu, he said when he went to Israel for the first time, he was praying on the wall, the voice came. He ignored that voice. When the Biafra was established in the United Kingdom, he wasn't the one anchoring it. He said he went back again. The same voice came back. He said, go and rebuke my people. He said, but one thing he must do, he must not lie. He said, if it doesn't matter if it will cost your life. And do you know how God does things? Onyendu have proclaimed publicly that the state of Israel is the only country that are giving him protection. Because after what happened on 14th of September 2017, that Chineke Nekweni will play that boy, because when we talk about media warrior, Somtom, whatever that boy is, Mechko Kabama, bless him. We'll play that video in the next program. He surfaced in Israel, was interviewed in national television in Israel. For some people who don't understand, Onyendu could have lived in Israel for another 100 years talking about Biafra. Nothing will happen to him where I live in Israel. Can't get there because he was immune. But he chose to be on the front, as he said. The question tonight is that Chike Doziem, he said Onyendu didn't give you reason. Have you not seen the reason? Because you want to lead in the
yeah. Mazi, please, I want to just chip in something a minute. So I want you to go into it. Mazi, do you believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu saved IPOB worldwide through that voice message from Barrister Ejiofor, and also
not Ejiofor, not Ejiofor,
through Nnameka, sorry, and also prove to Nigerian government that he is still in charge. Mazi, do you know the game plan? Mazi, do you know if not that message already brought out, main market could have been closed by now. Enugu market could have closed by now. And when the main market closed, all those big markets closed, IPOB is gone. They have hijacked IPOB. That voice message released by Barrister Nnameka saved IPOB and also proved that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in charge of Biafra land, because their plan it had been sailed. Main market can be closed by now. And when main market closed, what I'm talking about? Who owns the power? Who controls the land? Who controls the land? So, Chukwu Okike Abiama, eze bi n'elu ọgụ na-akpụ na ndị mbụ ndị egede, dekwa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Dobe, mbọsị eke, mbọsị oyi, mbọsị afọ, mbọsị nkwọ, ise. Mazi, biko, ile nkwu na do gbatia ya, ma ọ wụ na asị ka nsị, biko. Let the world know, please.
Mazi, he just illustrating what I've just said.
Yeah.
You know, we're not saying the Onyendu said because Onyendu is our leader. He is
Yeah.
our supreme leader and the spiritual leader of this particular hallowed movement. And he's the spiritual leader of Biafrans as I stand today. Hmm? Is Onyendu na funife na afuna more? Is a spirit. Onyendu is a spirit. Our leader is a spirit. For some of you who don't know, when I met Mazi in the Kan 101 United Kingdom here, I make a decision that I don't want to be close to Onyendu. The day I saw our leader 101, I knew that our leader is not a human being. Some people don't know. I am the first CSO in United Kingdom. When Onyendu was here, anywhere he's coming to, he will request that George Umeh must be the one to receive me. Even our meeting we have in London here, I was the one. It's not like I haven't known Onyendu, I haven't seen Onyendu, I haven't had access to Onyendu. I have. But I made a personal decision that I will distance from our leader. Because I knew who I am following. That if Mazi Onyendu was just ordinary regular guy, I will not budge. Because he has nothing to offer me. I know what I want. I know why I make decision. I know why I take this route. I know why I'm here. I know why I'm sitting down here talking now. I didn't make nobody. This decision was me. I made it on my own. If I die on it, so be it. No regret. I told my woman, I said, if there is today, they said, Bakaram, forget about me. I've got a lot of kids. Don't worry. I've made this decision. This is what I have chosen to do. Nothing else. So we are not questioning the legitimacy of Onyendu. And the Biafra land has been saved once again. It's clear now. Now, the question is, the fundamental question now is that those people that Onyendu have given the mandate to, pilot IPOB have put IPOB under autopilot mode. That's where Chikedozen have kept IPOB. Because if not, there is no need to a lawyer to make a voice note to send message to Chikedozen. He mentioned names. Yema powerful. Chikedozen, China Sanworu. That they should rebroadcast this broadcast. In turn, they might be thinking that Onyendu is complimenting them. Onyendu is not complimenting you. But Onyendu is simply telling us that these are the men that has been disobeying my orders. Which you guys have come out and make it open to us. I'll have it in your voices. When this guy making this pointing, he will see them jumping up. Chicken doesn't mean he's the only man that. But why did he looking for Onyendu?
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.